Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you how to make a movie poster, like horror type movie poster in a Photoshop. So let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. I made it a little bit earlier and I just think about that I would make a tutorial for you guys. Here, going to the file at first, going to the new options. From here is the print options, taking an artboard which is the A4 type and giving horror movie, and here hit the create button. Okay, after that going to the file and place embedded options. So here I just got some images from Unsplash and other stuffs and other websites actually, and place it out. This one is our main image and fit with the skin, and then press Ctrl or Command T. You can make it little bit. And now going to the file again and going to the place embedded options. From here I got a PNG image of a skull of human. Okay, the challenging thing is you have to match the like angles and other stuffs according to this skull. Make the opacity down, that's fine, and making it a little bit smaller and then making it bigger. The skull should be like this or like this, making it a little bit down or smaller. Yeah, after that make the opacity up, a little bit down, or like this. Okay, and here I'll apply another technique, which is I will select this area and I'll cut it down. Right press and restylize the layer, go to the pen tool and selecting the area where I want to cut. Here you can make it zoom for the better view and cut it out, this portion according to this area. It will help you out to make this one more precisely done of it. Here from here these areas and these areas. Okay, I'll go for these area and these area, that's good, and making it like make selection, and this area will select and turning on this one, right press and restylize the layer and delete that portion. Okay, now time to brush this one, making it mask and going to the brush tool. Here is the brush tool and making the brush bigger. Here is the opacity and flow, 58% is good for me, and just brush it out. Here is the opacity option. If you need, you can down the opacity a little bit. If you want, you can match with it. Yeah, that's fine. And now select these two things, two layers actually. Girl. Okay, that's good. And now here the title and the footer, header and other stuffs. I'll make this one into convert to smart object. After that going to the filter and camera filter. I'll change a little bit the color. So here the hue of the orange color I'll change like this. Yeah, that's good. Here is the saturation. I'll make it a little bit up of the red. That's fine. And hit OK. So you got the change of the color. That's good. And now going to the file and place embedded options. So we have some footers and other stuffs. You can find it out on internet and I'll provide you that download link as well actually. So going to the file and place embedded options. From here I have a footer of the movie footer actually, and I'll make this one place over here. Okay, here is a little bit line which is really awkward, we have to remove that. Here is a selection tool and just delete this one. Before that, we have to make this one restyle as a layer and just delete that. And you can check out any kind of border or line if appear, you can delete it the same process. So in this portion, we'll make this one into like lightening. Okay, and making it into middle of the artboard here like this. Okay, that's fine. And now going to the file and place embedded options. From here we have the portion which is the award options. We'll just import that award. Now we will write down something here, the name of the movie, girl. I'll provide you the font in my video description. Okay, that's good. Now going to the text tool and writing the name upper side of this, and now I'll change the font like this, and font size will be smaller. That's fine. Press Ctrl or Command T, making it a little bit bigger. And from here press Ctrl or Command J, or you can press the option and hold it and drag it into middle, giving different name. And here then hit the tick button, and all of it, select all the stops, convert to smart object from here, and going to the filter Nick collection color effects pro. After using the color effects pro, we'll get another like filters from here. Here is a cross processing, lots of method over here. You can apply one of them which is really relevant with your topic. You have to apply that. So from here, this or this, I think T04 is good. If you want, you can add some strength over here and it okay. Yeah, our poster is ready. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. Until the next video, I'm ASM Arif signing out. Stay safe, stay at home, keep me in your prayers. Bye bye.